Hi, I'm Candice McConnell, HR generalist. We manufacture coveralls, and then we also wash, dry clean coveralls. But then there's different parts of the company like firefighting, there's environmental. The main purpose is to provide stability for employees for the nation. There's a lot of young people that start working at the dry cleaners or the sewing. It helps them get work experience so that they are able to go out in the world. But then there's some people that love working here and then they stay for a long time. So it's nice. It's nice to see that people from everywhere are wearing your company's tag on their coveralls. They don't even know who you are, but they know the company. It brings pride to the people that made them. Wow, the stuff that I made is out there.